Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. What's your name?
Uday Kumar Panchal.
Uday Kumar. Where are you from?
I'm from Chibukali, Vizag district, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay. Okay, Uday, can I have a resume, please?
Sure.
Introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Uday Kumar Panchal, an aeronautical engineering graduate from Satyabama University, Chennai. I currently live in SR Nagar, Hyderabad. My technical skills include Core Java, SQL, HTML, CSS. I was also proficient in design softwares like AutoCAD and CATIA. I'm also good at performing structural design using Fusion 360. My hobbies include watching movies, playing cricket, listening to music.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Um, Fine. What's your technical skills? Java, CSS, HTML, all these your technical.
Yes.
Okay, I will ask you a few questions in Java.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you need to explain those concepts and overall. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. What do you know about Java?
Java is an object-oriented programming language. It was discovered by James Gosling in 1995 in Sun Microsystems.
Okay.
It's an object-oriented programming language because it follows the four OOPS concepts: abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism.
Yeah, okay. And please explain few Java features.
Java is a simple language. It is portable. It's platform independent. It is robust. It is Java is dynamic. It is multi-threaded. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. What is robust?
Robust simply means strong. Java is a robust programming language that it has garbage collectors which will collect the objects that are no more used by the program.
Yeah, what is garbage collection? You use that word like garbage collection, right?
Yeah.
What is garbage collection?
Garbage collection means the objects which we don't use anymore in the Java program will be collected and put in the trash.
Okay, means free up the space.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. And yeah, what is meant by object-oriented programming language?
Any programming language that follows the four OOPS concepts: abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance is an object-oriented programming language.
Yeah, good. What is encapsulation?
Encapsulation, the combining data and code into a single unit, is called as an encapsulation.
Okay, what's a real-time example? Yeah, tell me any real-time example.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. If we have a diamond, we need to store it safely. We'll be keeping it in a locker, and we will locking it with a key. The key we use to access the locker is called as an object, and the locker we store is the class, and the diamond which is in the class will be the data.
Yeah, good.
We are providing data security with the use of with the encapsulation.
Yeah, good, good. And what do you know about inheritance?
Inheritance is the concept of acquiring properties of a class by another class.
Yeah. For getting properties one class to another class, what is the keyword we are using?
Extends.
Extends keyword. Is there any types in inheritance?
Yeah, there are four types of inheritance concepts: single, multi-level, hierarchical, and hybrid. There is one more type of inheritance concept which is multiple inheritance, but Java language does not support multiple inheritance using classes.
Yeah, okay. Then why it is not supporting?
Due to ambiguity situation.
You explain ambiguity situation.
Generally, multiple inheritance is the concept where we have one child class and two parent classes. But if both the parent classes have the same method name, when we create an object for the child class and call the method in the parent class, JVM will be in confusion for what method to be executed.
Okay.
That situation is called as ambiguity situation. It's also called as diamond problem.
Yeah. Then how will achieve that situation?
Yeah, it can be indirectly achieved by using abstract classes and interfaces.
Interfaces. Okay, good. What is interface?
Interface is just like a class where we have methods and variables. In the interface, by default, methods are abstract and the variables are by default static and final.
Okay. Can we write any method, any body in abstract method?
No.
Then how will write?
We'll be extending the abstract class to a child class, and we'll be defining that method in the child class, and we'll be writing the body there.
Okay. What do you know about constructors?
Constructor is a special type of method. Constructor name and the class name should be same. We don't need to call the constructor. JVM will automatically call the constructor when an object is created for that particular class.
Then what is object?
Object is an instance of class.
Instance of. What is class?
Class is a collection of variables and methods.
What is method?
Method is a collection of set of instructions that need to be performed on a given data.
Okay. What is data?
Data variables. Variables are data.
Okay. What is variable?
Variable is something which we declare in a program on which operations are performed.
Yeah. Okay. Is there any operators we are using in Java?
Yeah, there are 5 kinds of operators. There are arithmetic operators, logical operators, ternary operators, relational operators, and assignment operator.
Okay. Then how we'll use means tell me assignment few assignment operators.
Assignment operators equal to, and not equal to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good. And what is the what kind of projects we are developing by using Java?
Java, we can using Java we can develop web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications, web server applications.
Yeah. I think you have an idea about arrays concept, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Explain arrays concept.
Array is a data structure which stores data of similar data types.
Okay. Only we are storing similar kind of data.
Yeah. In arrays, we only store the similar type of data, similar data types of data.
Okay. Similar kind of data.
Yeah.
Then is there any types in arrays?
Yeah, there are 2 types of arrays, static array and dynamic array. Static array is the type of array in which we define size. Dynamic array is the array in which we do not define size.
Okay, good. And explain access modifiers and non-access modifiers is there?
Yeah.
Yeah, explain access modifiers.
Access modifiers are of 4 types: public, private, protected, and default. Public access modifier, we will be having the access to access the class from any package to any package. In private, you will be having the access to the access the variables
Uh,
in that particular class itself, and in the default we will be having the access the variables or methods from any class in that particular package itself.
Okay.
In coming to protected, we will be having the access the variables to inside the package or outside the package, but with the use of child class.
Okay. If you want to achieve means if you want to get properties outside of the package, we are using
Import dot package name dot class name.
Okay. Then we are using child class as
Yeah.
well. Okay. And what about non-access modifiers?
Non-access modifiers are of 3 kinds. They are static, final, and abstract.
Okay. What about static?
Static is used for memory management. We can define static for variables, methods, and block of codes. When a method and a variable are defined as static, only the static variables can be accessed in the static methods, but whereas non-static methods can access both static and non-static variables.
Yeah. What about final?
Final. Final keyword can be given to variables, classes, and methods. If we define a variable as a final, we cannot change the value of the variable. If we define a class as a final, it cannot be inherited. If we define a method as a final, it cannot be overridden.
Okay, good. And yeah, tell me a few differences between string and string buffer.
Yeah, string class is immutable. String buffer is mutable. It means if we assign any value to the string, we cannot change while performing an string methods. But for the string buffer, it's permanently changed while performing string buffer methods.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, Uday. Nice explanation. And yeah, okay. We'll get back to you.
Thank you.